Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 28 of the Newton Mudroom project. So here we are. We're in the finished shed side. Everything has been skinned. It's been set up with that 5/8 inch drywall. And so this is ready. This is ready for electricians who are coming on Monday. This is ready for plaster. Hopefully we'll be able to get our first plaster coat on there tomorrow. And then that's just really going to bring everything together. As you can see, we've got the ceiling up there all done. We did have a little bit of ledge that we're working on over there. We've got our loft set up, and just walking in over here, going into the mudroom. You can see that we are not quite done. We're closer than we were before. Well, we've definitely got all the drywall up there. We've got some in the closet, but then we ran out of drywall. So we're going to pick up 6 more sheets of drywall before we can finish that off. But yeah, other than that, this is done, and so I think we're in really good shape for the electricians to come back on Monday, and then put all the outlets in there, and that's going to give us lights for the very first time in here, and it's really going to start feeling like a room. Plus, once the drywall's on, if we can get that skim coat tomorrow, then that's just going to make it really button up, and then you know, it's a couple of layers. It's a lot of work, particularly with all these different angles we have coming together over there. But a little time, little patience, and by the end of next week, we should have it all primed out. So thanks for checking in on day number 28, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 29, where, yeah, like I said, if we've got all the plaster on, then it's really going to be something special to see. So check it out then.